Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a very simple yet tasty recipe. It is one of my favorites, that is curd chicken, or you can say yogurt chicken. This creamy soury white gravy tastes really yummy. Now there are many ways in which people make curd chicken. I will be sharing with you my style, like how I make curd chicken. First, we take a look at the ingredients that we need for this recipe. 400 grams of boneless chicken pieces, some coriander leaves, some cashews, of which I will make a fine paste, 2 medium-sized onions finely sliced, 100 ml of fresh cream, 1 clove of garlic sliced, 200 grams of curd or yogurt, 1 teaspoon of butter, oil, sugar as per taste, 2 bay leaves, 1 whole dried red chili, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Lastly, salt as per taste. So let's start. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated up, add the dried red chili and the bay leaves to it. Saute a bit. To this we add the sliced onions. Keep the flame on medium. Add a pinch of salt. Continue frying on medium flame for 5 minutes till golden brown. Now we add the garlic pieces. Here the onions have turned golden brown, as we can see, and both the onions and the garlic are nicely fried. Add the chicken pieces. Add some salt. Here I have added around 1 teaspoon of salt. Add salt just according to your taste. Stir very nicely for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now we add the curd to this. To the curd, I have added the garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Stir very nicely. Mix well. Keep on low flame and cover it for 10 minutes till the chicken is cooked. After around 7 minutes, remove the lid. And add the cashew paste. Stir and mix very nicely. You can also make this recipe with chicken with bone. Again, we cover the pan for around 3 minutes. Keep stirring in between so that the gravy does not stick to the bottom. After adding the cashew paste, the gravy becomes thicker and tends to stick to the bottom of the pan. So we must keep stirring in between. Keep on low flame and cook. After 3 minutes, we open the lid. Nice smell is coming. Stir very nicely. Now we increase the flame to medium high. We add the fresh cream, add the butter, and then mix everything very nicely. Wow, that gravy looks really yummy and the smell is great. The flame is on medium high. Now we will add the coriander leaves. Now if you like it hot, add slit green chilies along with the coriander leaves. Mix and stir very nicely. The chicken pieces are nicely cooked. Look at the gravy. Let it cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the heat. Cover it and give it a standing time of 5 minutes before serving. So our creamy curd chicken is ready to be served. It is an all-time favorite for our Indian bread, roti and paratha. Please do give it a try and let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching my video. Till the next time, bye-bye.